Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make this delicious creamy chicken and artichoke sauce. Guys, this recipe is to die for. It is a crowd pleaser and yet it is so easy to make. So if you want to learn how to do it, then just keep watching. And while you're watching, guys, do not forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. So for this recipe, I used chicken thighs, but you can use any cut of chicken. But chicken thighs are so juicy and packed full of really good flavor. So I seasoned my chicken with some salt and pepper, garlic powder. I threw in some paprika because, it gives it some really good color and amazing flavor. And I finished up with some rosemary. So I made sure to flip my chicken over and I added the same seasoning to the other side of it. So now I'm going to set my chicken aside to marinate and I'll show you the rest of the ingredients. You would need to have some mushrooms, artichoke hearts, onions, garlic and jalapeno, Parmesan cheese, parsley, chicken stock, heavy cream, some butter, and your white cooking wine. So heading over to the stove, I added a splash of oil into my heated pan and I used that to cook my chicken. So I'm going to be cooking my boneless, skinless chicken thighs for around about 6 to 7 minutes on each side. Guys, the good thing about chicken thighs is that they hardly ever get overcooked, unlike chicken breasts. So I would suggest that for this recipe, you should use your chicken thighs. But if you have chicken breasts, you can use it. It's still fine. But chicken thighs are amazing. So once my chicken was done cooking, I took it off the pan, added some butter and extra oil into the pan, and I used that to saute my mushrooms. So I sauteed my mushrooms for around about 2 minutes until it started getting soft and really fragrant. And while it was cooking, I made sure to season with some salt and some freshly cracked black pepper. Guys, you know what I say in all my videos, layer your flavors, okay? So once my mushrooms were getting fragrant, I went ahead and added my onions and I cooked that for around about 1 minute, and then I added my garlic and my jalapeños. So once I had my garlic and jalapeno in there, I let that go for another 1 minute and then I added my white wine. So guys, the white wine is definitely optional, but for this recipe, it adds such beautiful, beautiful flavor. But if you don't want to cook with the white wine, you can definitely substitute with some freshly squeezed lemon juice. So I'm going to let my white wine cook down. So this is going to give room for all the alcohol to cook out. So once I'm done cooking down my white wine, I'm going to go ahead and add the chicken stock to the pan and I'm going to let it simmer for about 3 minutes. After that, I would add in my heavy cream, my Parmesan cheese, and the artichoke hearts. I'll season with some salt and pepper and I'm going to give this a really good mix and I'll let it simmer for another 5 minutes. So that is going to give enough time for all the flavors to become completely married and to create one delicious sauce. So after about 5 minutes of simmering, I went ahead and added my chicken back into the pan. Guys, you are literally done. Literally done. And do not forget the chicken drippings, guys. That's Flavor Town. So once I had my chicken back in the pan, I added my parsley and we were done. So I'm going to let this simmer for another 2 to 3 minutes just to give the chicken time to really absorb all that creamy goodness and also to get heated up. So this is what it looks like in the end, all served up, guys. I'm telling you, it looks so pretty. This is a crowd pleaser and that chicken is so tender and juicy, and the artichoke hearts, that white wine, oh my gosh. Guys, I'm telling you, this recipe is a must try for you. You definitely need to try this one. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time on my channel, do not forget to hit the subscribe button, and guys, hit the notification button as well so you know when I post new videos, and like and share this video with your friends and your family, and leave comments in the comment section down below. I love you all. I'll see you guys in the next video.